Hello ladies, you're super welcome to this channel. Today we are reviewing this Infiniti Conair flat iron and we're super ready to use it. In this demo, I'll tell you how to use it. As you know, we gotta turn this on. When you plug it, okay, you're gonna see there's four types, I guess, of temperature, okay? We check over here if you wanna keep it higher. Try to put the fourth option and the color red, it will appear. I know we gotta wait a little bit. After 10 seconds around, I would say it would start heating enough. And now I grab a piece of my hair. After 10 seconds, it's pretty hot. We're ready to go. So what you do is grab a section of your hair and keep it tight, and we're gonna put it in between. Now it takes a little bit, okay, if you're not used to it, probably, but we try to put correctly our hair, and we're gonna slide little by little, pressing it until you see how straight it turns. It's pretty straight, as you can see, and I would say you can do this twice, more than enough. As the temperature is pretty ready, it should be enough. Now I'm gonna show you another part of my long hair, okay? The one that is in the front, so you can see the difference comparing to the other one. So again, I take a little bit, a piece of it, and now I'm gonna start again using this machine, put the hair inside of it, collocating it and pressing it little by little, not that hard, and slide. Now it's pretty straight. I love this straightener. Definitely, it's a wow. It's really, really straight. That's the way I want it, and that's the way it should look. As you can see, maybe you're ready for, a presentation or a meeting, and you want to keep this straight so you can have it pretty elegant for any type of occasion. You can continue again sliding it, and we have great results. Really, really straight. I would say Infiniti Conair, for me, it's definitely 5-star review. It's a 5-star for me. I love it the way it works. Just so you know, you can find this product in my Amazon